Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a first impressions slash kind of like haul from the drugstore makeup. That's all cruelty free actually. So that's cool. So except this primer because I got it in my Ipsy bag, but I've also never tried it, so I figured I'd try it. But everything else I bought is, so for all you cruelty free users out there, this makeup is for you. Alright, so first I'm going to do this Stay Matte Makeup Primer from Rimmel London. I'm going to put this on my face and see what happens. Smells like sunscreen kind of. It doesn't feel as smooth as most primers feel like when they're on, for me personally, but it doesn't feel bad. And now I'm going to do the Essence Pure Nude Concealer in Pure Beige for super pale skin. We're just going to draw on my face. Then we're going to blend it out. It blends off, not out. Now I'm going to try the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And it's kind of cute. It has like this little spatula. It smells like paint. That does pretty well, but it is really thin. So you will probably want to build up a little bit with this one, just because you can like see like my blemishes like through here and maybe down there. You can still see this one up here a little bit. We're going to do this one more time. Two times is the charm, right? Not supposed to be. So, this foundation is kind of cracky on my skin. It might be that primer that I used because I've never used that. So I'm going to have to try it with something else under it or nothing under it maybe and see, but it matches me pretty well. Super white. Now I'm going to try the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. It's all super white, like really white. Alright, well that powder kind of fixed some of those little weird looking spots on my face. My forehead still looks a little like dry and splotchy, but oh well, what do you do? Now, we're gonna try a Wavy Glow liquid highlighter from NYX. We need more glow than this. So now I'm gonna try this illuminating powder from NYX. It's like a violet color. It's like pretty purpley pink. See if this gives it a little extra oomph. That one's better. So I like this one more than the liquid one. It's just a little more visible without having to use too much of it. Now we're going to try this blush. It's called Rose Champagne. It literally looks like a highlight, but we're gonna try it anyway. I usually like my blush like super pink, so this will be definitely new for me. You can see it. Weird. Alright, so this blush is not bad. It looks cute. It's kind of like I sort of enjoyed my face, I guess. More than my pink one looks like. And then I did not get new eyebrow stuff, so it's still the Anastasia. I'm just gonna apply that real quick. Eyebrows on. Looking more alive now. So now I'm gonna try the Essence All About Bronze eyeshadow palette. There's like a bajillion sparkly colors and I can't open this. So we all know. I'm gonna start probably with white, because I love white. Right, so far this eyeshadow is not bad, but we've only tried white. So we'll see how this gets. Alrighty, let's see, what do I want to put on my face today? Let's go with this little brown color here. And put this in the crease. Oh, alrighty then, hello. So, this eyeshadow is pretty pigmented actually. That's nice. It was like super cheap. This like palette is originally like $5 something and I got it for like $3 something. So super duper cheap. Now we're going to go in with like a rosy color champagne. Just in the corner, Alright, now we're gonna add some glitter because who doesn't love glitter? So this is the NYX glitter primer. And then let's go in with this like silver glitter from NYX called Crystal. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this glue. Can you see that? All the glitter so far. The nice thing about this glitter is the lid is super tiny, so it's not that easy to spill, which is good. A little hole where all comes out of. Right, now let's do the other eye. Let's add a little wing. So pretty. Now I'm just going to add a tiny bit more brown in these corners over here with this glitterness. Then I'm going to go in with the Essence Superfine eyeliner pen. Alright, now we do the other eye. Alright, that took me like 8,000 years, but I like this. The point is a little bit longer than what I'm used to, so that just took me like a second longer than normal, but that's okay. So far, this is the look. So sparkly. Now I'm gonna do this For-Bidden Volume Mascara from Essence, and we're gonna see what this does to my eyelashes now. Alright, so let's one eye with eyeliner mascara on, and this eye doesn't have it. Let's see the difference. It's pretty good. My eyelashes look really volumized and long and pretty and all that good stuff. So I approve of this mascara, which is very rare because I am very picky with mascara. It doesn't make my eyelashes look like they're gonna like eat my eyebrows. I'm not a big fan of it. Now I'm going to do the Essence Lip Liner in Soft Berry. It's gonna be like probably purple pinkish maybe. Let's find out. Look at that dark lip liner. Holy moly. So dark. And the color I'm about to put on my lips is even darker. It's the NYX Intense Butter Glass in Rocky Road. Look at that. It's gonna be so dark. Let's do it. Really dark. Alright. Now we're gonna go in with a lip brush like always and shape these bad boys out. It's so crazy to see this dark of a color on the lips. I haven't worn dark colors in a while. Alright, and we're gonna glue on our lovely eyelashes. One eyeball. And do the next. Alright, my eyelashes are on. And I am all done with this crazy look so far. Look at my eyes up close. If it focuses. Do you see that? Look at all that glitter. Okay, anyways, so my opinions are out of focus. Hold on, we're back. Okay, so this foundation, I'm gonna have to try this again with a different primer. This primer, I'm not a huge fan of it because it feels like there's nothing on my face. I like it to feel real like silky and smooth. This mascara is bomb. So if you want a really good mascara that gives you really good volume, that's like super cheap, this For-Bidden Volume mascara is pretty awesome. These eyeshadows are actually really nice for how cheap they are. Like, they go on really well, they're super pigmented, they blend, they're beautiful. This lip liner I like, I have a few of them, so I already know that I like that. This eyeliner is really nice. You just have to kind of get, if you're not used to the super long tip, you just have to get used to it. It's just a little bit longer than normal ones. This, I could barely see it, but maybe it's because I only put a little bit because I'm afraid to go too crazy with gold highlighters just because I am so pale. This highlighter is bomb. It's very pretty. It looks good. Can you see it? Look at that. Yes. This blush is pretty. It's definitely different from what I'm used to, but yeah, it looks pretty. I really liked this powder. It definitely helped fix a little bit of the foundation with all the little weird splotchy spots that were going on with it. This, I hate lip gloss, so I'm not a huge fan of the consistency feeling of it, but it's a pretty color. This concealer, I don't know about this. It like blends literally off. So I'm gonna go with a no on that one. This glitter glue works pretty well. I mean, look how pretty that is. Oh yes. And then this glitter's awesome because it's like kind of spill proof, which is nice with glitter because, you know, if you have a top that's not good, it goes everywhere. You have this crazy mess. And you're like, oh my god, why glitter, why? I just love you and you hate me, but that's okay. Anyways, yeah. So that is all my opinions of all of this This I know is like a big deal to a lot of people. So I'm going to give it another chance with a different primer. See how that goes. And hopefully that will help the dry splotchiness. There's probably too much mattifying going on for that stuff. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this haul. I literally bought all of this stuff except my eyebrows. I think that's it. Everything else is new. Except my eyelashes. My eyelashes, eye glue, and brows. Those are all normal that I've always used. Everything else was new. And yeah, so this is it. It's all drugstore, so it's super cheap and affordable. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see me do more videos like this, just let me know. And yeah, thank you guys.